Imagine this. You wake up in the morning. Your eyes are barely open. And the first thought that crosses your mind is, I need tea. But have you ever wondered? This simple drink you hold every day is not just a beverage. It has started wars, toppled empires, sparked revolutions, and shaped the global economy. In a single cup of tea, there are 5,000 years of human history. Today, we uncover the story of tea. Chapter 1. China, where it all began. Our story begins in 2737 BC. In ancient China, there was an emperor named Shennong, a ruler known for his love of herbs and healing. One day, while boiling water in the forest, a gust of wind blew leaves from a nearby plant into his pot. The water changed color. A delicate aroma filled the air. Curious, he tasted it. That moment, legend says, marked the birth of tea. At first, tea was medicine. People drank it for health and healing. But over time, it became something more. A symbol of balance, calm, and harmony. Tea was no longer just a drink. It became philosophy. Chapter 2. Japan, from drink to meditation. In the 9th century, Buddhist monks traveled from Japan to China. There, they discovered tea. They brought it back home. In Japan, tea found a new purpose. Zen monks drank tea to stay awake during long meditation sessions. It sharpened focus. It quieted the mind. This gave birth to the Japanese tea ceremony, a ritual of mindfulness. Every movement intentional, every sip meaningful, every moment present. Tea became meditation in motion. Chapter 3. Europe discovers tea. Fast forward to the 16th century. European traders arrived in China. They tasted tea. At first, it seemed strange. Then it became fashionable. Soon, it became addictive. Portugal and the Netherlands introduced tea to Europe. But it was England that fell in love. By the 17th century, tea was extremely expensive. Only the wealthy could afford it. Serving tea became a status symbol, a way to display power and refinement. Tea was luxury in liquid form. Chapter 4. The British Empire and the Tea Obsession. Then came the British East India Company. Britain relied heavily on Chinese tea, and it was costly, so they asked a bold question. What if we grow our own tea? Their answer lay in India. In the forests of Assam, they discovered native tea plants. The British built vast plantations. They employed thousands of laborers. They industrialized tea production. Tea was no longer a luxury. It became a daily necessity. This is how tea took root in South Asia and became part of everyday life in India and Pakistan. Chapter 5. The Boston Tea Party, when tea sparked revolution. The year was 1773. In the American colonies, Britain imposed heavy taxes on tea. People were furious. One night in Boston, colonists boarded British ships and dumped 342 chests of tea into the harbor. This act of defiance became known as the Boston Tea Party. It was more than protest. It was the spark of revolution. Tea, a simple drink, helped ignite the American fight for independence. History changed over tea. Chapter 6. Tea in the subcontinent, a cultural bond. Today, in Pakistan and India, tea is more than a beverage. It is hospitality. It is friendship. It is comfort. Let's have tea. Stay for one more cup. I'll make chai. From roadside stalls, to family gatherings, to late-night conversations, tea connects people. It is the language of warmth. Chapter 7. Tea in the modern world. Today, tea is one of the most consumed drinks on earth. Green tea, black tea, matcha, Kashmiri chai, Bubble tea. Every culture has shaped tea in its own way. One plant, endless traditions. A cup full of history. The next time you lift a cup of tea, remember, it carries the winds of ancient China, the mindfulness of Japanese monks, the ambition of the British Empire, the fire of revolution in America, and the warmth of homes across South Asia. It is not just tea. It is the story of humanity. If you're a tea lover, tell us in the comments. What kind of tea do you love the most? And if you enjoy historical stories like this, don't forget to subscribe for more journeys through time. Until next time, one story, one cup at a time.